Play it cool, play it cool. Ooh, it's so tight right there. Alrighty YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some exploring. I don't really have anything planned. I usually have some things planned when I make my videos, but today we're just completely winging it. This is a super random spot to be doing my intro too. I'm like right off this busy street right here, but I do want to hit this little ditch jump right up here, and then I might, why isn't this thing, I do want to grab a drink in this gas station too before I leave here. I'm already so parched. This guy's watching me. Let's hit it. Oh boy. Oh, it's officially fall season, guys. It feels so good. Let's actually turn right here. Cut through the downtown part. Let's go down this alleyway. If you guys have been watching the X Games, it's super sick. A lot of people have been winning gold on Stark. Patrick Evans just won Best Whip on the Stark, and then Colby Raha won highest on the quarter on this bike as well. Well, I was already thirsty, and then I forgot to get a drink when I was at the other gas station, so I'm gonna grab one here real quick. What am I feeling? Body Armor or Gatorade? Yeah, Gatorade. There's the purple one. Midnight Ice. Nah, I need this one. Yeah. Yeah. Could I use Apple Pay? Okay.
Like, you have to buy specific helmets for that.
No, it's all separate. So like you buy the helmet, buy like the clamp or whatever, and then the GoPro itself, and then I just have like a mic, so the audio is like a little bit better than without it. Yeah, without the mic, it's so windy. It sounds like shit. You know what I mean?
It's like, hi guys, welcome.
Yeah, you can't hear anything. It's horrible. But I appreciate it, man. You have a good one. Yo, my bad, guys. I had the camera in super view. I usually use hyper view so you guys can see a little bit more. But now we got it in hyper view, so hopefully it looks a little bit better. Can you already tell right away? We're right across the street from this little jump behind the McDonald, so we'll go over there and go hit that. Ooh, that did not sound good. Did I like bend my rim? Let's do it one more time. There, that felt a lot better. Wish there was like better ramps here. To be fair though, I am on a dirt bike, so what do I really expect? Ooh, it's so tight right there. I've been liking this spot a lot recently. All right, boys, let's get out of here. Keep it moving. Guys, I've been seeing a ton of comments saying you should make longer videos, and I definitely am trying to, but I also don't like forcing longer videos. Like if I don't have enough footage, I'm just gonna make a shorter video because I like doing more quality over quantity, if that makes sense. Ooh, it's tight in here. I wonder if these people are going to be cool or they're going to call the police on me.
But I'm saving it up for a dirt bike because I found out about e-dirt bikes and I was like, shit, I need one of those.
Yeah, yeah.
I saw you doing that and I was like, dude, I had the same fucking idea.
Hell yeah, that's sick.
She had a GoPro and she never used it. So she was like, hey, you have a helmet, you have a bike, you want it? And I was like, fuck yeah, I'll take it, I don't care.
Yeah.
But it's really nice.
You have a channel then?
No, not yet. I'm trying to.
That's sick. Nice. What was your name?
My name's Dylan.
Dylan? My name's Dylan too.
Really?
Yeah.
My fucking God.
Yeah, that's cool though. If you ever see me, come say what up.
Yeah.
Yup. We are moving, boys. Yeah, they listen to that boss man. Play it cool, play it cool. Play it cool, play it cool. Oh no. Play it cool. Alright, we're at the YMCA. It's a cool little jump. Turn this up to 4. The little kid was staring me down. Why do little kids stare so much? Like they give you those eyes. You know what I'm talking about? Yo, what is this? I've lived here for like 20 years and I've never seen this. Make sure there's no cars. We're good. That's kind of cool though. Well, I think I screwed myself. I thought the crosswalk was going to be faster, but doesn't look like it. A few videos ago, guys, I was talking about, do you guys want me to make night videos? And it seems like you guys want me to do that, so I definitely will. I just gotta figure out how I could set up at night in terms of like the camera settings and everything, because I've never really done nighttime filming. So I just gotta figure that out. Let's go on these stairs. Make sure I don't get T-boned. Just in time. Yes, sir. Let's check out the water. It's dirty. It's real dirty. Alright guys, I'm making my way back to the house right now. If you enjoyed this video, definitely drop a like, and if you're new here, drop a sub. I always say to my videos, but like 97 or 98% of my viewers aren't subscribed right now. So if you could drop a sub for me, that would be awesome. But until next time though, guys, peace out.